Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Threads account suspended. What you can do is firstly tap on settings. After you tap on settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. After you tap on app management, tap on search. Now start typing Threads. Tap on stress. Tap on Threads. After you tap on Threads, tap on storage uses. Now tap on clear cache. After you tap on clear cache, what next you can do is press and hold on Threads and uninstall the app. After you uninstall the app, tap on Google Play Store, tap on search, and what you can search, open Android browser. After you open your Android browser and go to a trusted APK mirror site, search for Threads and download an APK file from 1 to 2 weeks ago and open the downloaded file to install it. Open the app and attempt to log in or appeal. After this, what you can do is open the Google Play Store app and tap on Threads, tap on open. Now tap on your profile icon. After you tap on your profile icon, tap play protect, then tap scan. If you still have any questions, comment down below.